Hello from Gardening at Douentza, and I'm in the Algarve in Portugal at the moment, just driving down this road when I noticed the trees, and they were quite a dark brown, which is unusual because, you know, it's very warm around here and everything is kind of greyish, not really green. That's our car down there, rented car. And then I realised what I was looking at, and here's one of those trees there. And here we have one of those trees I was talking about. You see all that very dark brown down below, and then as you go up you can see the true bark of the tree is much greyer. And over here, and you can see that the bark has actually been stripped off of the tree. Moving over here, we can see a tree that hasn't had the bark removed yet, and then if you see further up, it's being stripped there. And what is this, of course, but it's cork. And the cork we find in our bottles at home comes from the skin, let's just say, of these trees, which is removed, I don't know how often, but it's a renewable source. You can remove the skin from this tree, the bark from the tree, and it renews it as long as you leave it for long enough. So we don't need to feel bad about using cork in our in our wine. In fact, you know, it supports the Portuguese economy. Isn't it just amazing? Fabulous. So welcome to a true Portuguese cork forest in December. That's it for the moment. That was my little pit stop to have a look at some cork trees and, well, just to finally see what cork looked like and what tree it came from. Don't ask me what the Latin name is for the tree, but I'll look it up when I get home, and I'm sure I'll jot it in the details of this video. Okay, so I'd better go down there and rejoin the car, and that's all for now. Thanks very much for watching. Bye!